Hello, welcome guys to the Euro USD weekly recap video. So this is last week of the February we are recapping for that. So without any delay, let's start our recap. So we are going to replay it from somewhere around I think from here. I guess on Thursday, 20 to Thursday, Friday, Sunday, right? Somewhere from here, right? So this is our daily. In the daily, the price has broke this structure low, right? So our expectation is the price will keep going off, like go off, going up to this premium of the zone. So it is reacting up there. So it can come down to somewhere around here, then it can go up like this to react to somewhere around the premium of the zone. Then yes, for this daily breakup structure very sign, then from here we can look for shorts to target somewhere down the here, but that's for the month forward, like that's the forecast, not the replay. So going to the 4 hour, the price has reacted of this supply zone, right? So after the reaction, what do you expect? We expect the pullback, and we are expecting the pullback to this zone, right? To the discount of the zone. So we are expecting the pullback to the discount of the zone. So we can expect like pullback to somewhere around somewhere around the zone like here. Then we can expect the price to go up here to react up to this premium zone. So this is our expectation of the price. So let's go to the 1 hour. So in the 1 hour, the price is simple. We are waiting for the price to come up to this zone. So we are expecting the price will come up to this zone. So that is our basic expectation. And if you look at the S1 hour, S1 or 1 hour time frame, then the price is bullish, right? It's bullish like this. And it has reacted of that. So what was the expectation? Our expectation was the price will break this, but it didn't. It's come here, it's reacting on that. So what we can say is the price has come here, reacted. It can go and go to somewhere down here, maybe this supply zone here, react of that, and maybe like come down. So this is us. This is what the price can do occasionally, right? So this is what we are expecting. Okay. So let's play the price forward to our zone, to our time frame. So let's play the price forward to Saturday. This is Saturday. Monday to the start of London session. So London session start here. So let's play the price forward up to this time to the start of the London session. So here it is. Okay, here it is. The London session has officially started. So based on the 1 hour, so our expectation is let's not forget our expectation. Our expectation with the price is this, and the price will go up, react up somewhere around here and come back down. This is what we are playing, right? So with that in mind, let's go to the 15 minute. So if you go to the 15 minute, there are two reasons from where the price can come back down. So one reason is here. From here, the price can come back down. So this is from where the price can occasionally like came down. Yes, and yes, one is from here, and the reason is here. And the reason is here. And if you ask me like which one zone is high probable, then I'll say like the zone in the top. Why? Because there are this equal high above this zone. So because of that reason, a lot of people will be selling here, including me. Like a lot of people will be like if the price goes up here, selling here, and their stop loss will be above that. So it's more likely that the price can go on those step out and come down. But we can't rely on that fact, because if we do, then we'll miss a lot of trades which we don't want. So we're looking for shorts from both of these zones. So that's my expectation. So yes, so that's our expectation, right? So going forward, yeah, the structure is not clear, right? So let's play the price of it forward. The structure is not clear, right? The structure is not clear. At this point of time, the structure is clear, very much clear. The price went up, came down, went up. So we can mark like, so this is our structure, which is very much clear, right? This is M15 breakup structure, and based on that, we can see, how we can wait for buy from here or somewhere on like the extreme of the zone on the M15, right? So this is from where we can like wait for the buy from here, right? So from where we can wait for the buy, and let me make it visible on the M15 only, so it won't be much problem later on the part of the video, right? So now we can expect something like, okay, the price will come back down and will react and go. This is our expectation. And what is the time? 15:45. So let's play the price forward, 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 for okay. The price went there. So now what can you expect? As always, we're expecting something like this from here, right? We're expecting, okay, I can do that. So we're expecting something like this, right? So based of that, okay, so let's look for sell from here. So let me go to the M5, going to the, okay, I can't do this. Why can't I? Why this undeletable, right? Is it permanent? No, right? So yes, from here, let's look for the sell. So yes, there is no investment there. Yes, at least I think so. Yes, the investment is so far, so we won't look for that again. We'll look for the great sell entry, sell position. So let's go to the M1 and look for some financial position, right? Right. So there's nothing like that. Okay, there's nothing special like that. Okay. So playing the price forward. Okay, the price came in. Okay, went up. Okay, so came in, went up. Right. There's nothing like that. Okay. So there's nothing like that. Okay. Okay. The price at this point of time, the price has like probably sticks to the downside. Yes. Now we want the price to break this structure to the upside. Then okay. So then we can look for sell. So let's wait for the price. Okay, let's wait. Let's okay. At this point of time, okay. At this point of time, okay. So we can look for sell from here. Start position right or below this candle. No stop loss above 13, 23, and 33. 33, 33, 31, 30, 33. And our target will be all the way up here down here, which is basically 1 is to 3R, 1 is to 5R. Right. So let me play the price forward. So we are basically tapped into the price. We are tagged into. And by the way, if you are okay, so we are tagged into. So let's see like how the trade goes. Right. So let's see like how the trade goes. So let's see. Okay. So at this point of time, we have lost our trade. So this is we lost one trade. Yes, we have lost one trade. So yeah, let me do this first. Let me trace this thing first. Right, right. So here also the price there's nothing much. Okay, the price has let me go to the 50-minute. In the 15-minute, okay, the price has like taken this liquidity out, like taken this liquidity out, right? So because of that reason, okay, the price has like taken this liquidity out, right? So because of that reason, there is one way we can definitely look for sell from there. Okay, so okay, sorry for that. There is one way we can definitely look for sell from there. Okay, so let me play it forward. Let me wait it here. Okay, so if the price fell this zone, okay, so if the price like fell this zone, right? If the price fell this zone, so if the price does something like okay, if the price does something like if the price came here and goes off, then okay, we can't look for sell. But if the price goes come in, give some home reaction and break down, okay, down like that, then we can look for sell from like somewhere around the 50% of the zone. We can look for sell from there with our like from here and with our stop loss being set here, like which is basically like 33, 43, and 53, 2 pips above. This is your USD as 2 pips above in the Euro USD. Then you can target like somewhere down the zone, like 1 is to 5, yes, and at 1 is to 4, we will have like at 1 is to 4. Okay, this line will just okay, take the partial, like 25% of our trade will close it. At this line will close 25% of our trade because that's my trading strategy. And at this point, I'll close like remaining all the trade of mine. So now my strategy is if the price break that, then I can look for sell from here and the price will come out. That's what I'm thinking right now. Okay, so let's play the price forward. or the price rose. Let's wait for the price to come back down. Yes, and okay, the price is going up. Okay, let's make it fast here. Okay, so let's play it forward. Okay, we're tapped into the price, so there's no need of that, and there's no need of that as well, and there's no need of that one as well, and there's no need to justify this one as well. The price is tagged into, so let me make it visible view on the M15 and not any time frame above that. So yes, so yes, so let me go to the M15 first. Okay, let me go to the M15. So there we sell, right? Yeah, and yes, so that was here. Yeah, okay. So if you go here, then okay, when the one thing, if you want to do that, then there is this like sense of character here as well. So based on this sense of character, we can again look for sell from, okay, we can again look for sell at this point. Okay, looking for sell at this point is also valid. We can again look for sell at this point, and it's perfectly valid. Okay, it's perfectly valid. Okay, looking for sell at this point. So let me replay the chart. Yeah, let me replay it like here. So at this point we can look for sell from here again, right? So let me go to the 5 minute to see if there is some form of inducement. No inducement on the 5 minute. There is nothing like that. No inducement is there on the 5 minute. So let me go to the M1. Okay, let me go to the 1 minute time frame. So in the 1 minute, okay, so let's wait for some form of structure here. So let me play it forward. Let me make it a little lighter. Right? So now this was our previous trade. So we are waiting for some form of structure in this trade as well. So there's nothing like that. Nothing is here. Okay, nothing is here. Nothing is here. Nothing. Okay, nothing else is here. Okay, so at this point of time, we have this equal low, equal high. Okay, this equal high. Okay, so this equal high is there. Yes, if you know. Okay, let me zoom it. So there's this like equal high, right? This out equal high. So if the price like fell this zone, okay, if the price fell this zone, okay, if the price does something like, if the price does something like this, come off, came down, then I can look for sell from here to target down. Okay, so this is my strategy. So it is based on the fact that okay, this is more of like this. So if the price like take this liquidity out, yeah, the price like did it here, take this liquidity out, and the price fell this. So if the price like come back down, then I can like sell it here to target somewhere down the zone. So this is what I'm waiting for. Okay, so let me see. Let me okay, the price did not did that, so it's wrong. It's invalid. Okay. So okay, so let me play it again forward again. Okay. So the price again, if you look at here, then the price like break this structure to the downside. Yes, break this structure to the downside, and I want the price to break this structure to the upside. Break this structure out. Yes, break this structure out first. So yeah. So I'm expecting the price to break this structure out, then come back, then okay, this thing, then okay. So I'm expecting something like that. So let's wait. The price didn't broke the structure high, so I'm waiting for the break of the structure high. The price didn't, and it will keep going, right? So yeah, there was no in the trade. There was no re-entry. Basically, let me call that re-entry. So there was basically no re-entry on this trade. So let me delete it. Let me delete this thing. Oh, I'm not allowed to delete. So yeah, there was no basically no re-entry. So yeah, that was all. Okay, so yeah, the price keep going, keep coming down. Yes, and what is the time now? So yes, so let me replay it forward in here. So here also at this point of time as well. Okay, so let me delete this. So at this point of time as well, there is this like a small break of structure here. So we can keep following this break of structure. And if we keep following that, then okay, we can look for sell from this one as well. Again, we can look for sell from here as well. It's completely valid, right? We can looking for sell from this one. It's completely valid and it's within the London session as well. So let's wait for the let me go to the 5 minute and check like whether There's nothing like that. Okay, there's nothing like that in the 5 minute. So yeah, there's no inducement in the 5 minute. So we have to wait for the M1. So let's wait. Okay, the price tapped into there. So let's wait for the M1 and see like whether there is some form of entry or not. So the M1 up to this time, there's nothing like that. Okay, split the okay. The price has broken the structure to the downside. Yes, yes. So let's okay. So let's wait for the price to break this structure high first. Okay, want the price to break this structure high. So if the price does this, then okay. So we can look for short from like here, sell stop, stop us above that, and target like somewhere down the zone. So that's our expectation. So so for the price. Okay, so invalid. Okay, so the price has already taken the liquidity below that. So there's no point of selling it there. So it's also invalid. There's no point of selling that because the main fund of selling it there was to take the liquidity out, so that the liquidity is already taken out, so that was completely invalid. So we can again keep following this and we can again look for sell from here. Okay. So we can keep doing that. Okay, so what is the time now? 20:45. So it is still valid. Okay, so let me go to the 15 5 minute. So this is our inducement. We want first this to be taken out, right? So let's we want what we want is we want this to be taken out, then something like that, and then similar, right? So let's keep following this price. Okay. So at this point of time, okay, the price has given what is the time. Let me see the time. So if it is before like within the London session, then I'm happy for looking for trade. So what is the time? 21:20. So still a lot of time is remaining for the London session. So let me keep looking for some position below a sort of sell stop here. Then sell stop here, then stop loss like 2 pips above. So 41, 51, and 61. Then I'll target like 1 is to 3 from here. Yes. So let me keep going forward. Okay, I'm tagged into the trade. And okay. So this trade will have been the loss. So this trade will have been in the loss -1. And yes, -1. Yes. And here is still here we are in the supply zone. So still we can look for the short. So okay, what is the time now? The time is 21:35. Still 10 minutes remaining. So let's go for the short. So in the short position, okay. So there's nothing like that. There's nothing like that. Okay. So we are waiting for the position. I'm waiting to see it here. So at this time, okay, the session is over, and yes, there's nothing like that. Okay. So during that day, okay, there was like basically like common trade. Three trades were there, and out of those three trades, okay, we like I lost like two of the trades, and okay, I basically lost two of the trade. Okay, and there is one trade going on, right? So let me mark that trade. One trade which is going on. One trade is going on. Like let me mark that trade which is going on. Right, one trade is going on. Maybe like from like here, like 50% of the zone, which is basically from here. So one trade is going on. So let me mark this and let me remove all of it. So one trade is going on. Yeah, yeah. So 50 minutes. Yes. So this is the one trade that's going on. Okay. Other two trade I lose. Okay. So I'm targeting 1 is to 5, somewhere around like here. Right, right. And somewhere around here. And yes. And okay. Let me make it view mm, on the other time frame as well. So yes, so if the price come here, then I will close like 25% of the trade and I'll break even. So this is not our session. So let's wait for our session. Our session start at like 12:45, 12:45, 12:45, 12:45. Okay. So what is the time now? 22. So our London session started like here. So let's wait until the price come here. Okay. So let's keep it like forward and let's keep enjoying. Okay. So let's see like what will happen to our trade. Okay, so how will our trade? Okay, so let me let me hold on. Replay it from like here, here. So yes, so we'll still be in our trade. We'll still be in this trade, yes, and we'll not be making like any money, not losing any money. So our idea on the like S1 remains the same. Okay, we our idea on the S1 remains the same. Okay, so our idea on the S1 remains the same. We are waiting for price to pull back somewhere around here to look for something like that. This is our idea on the M1, S1. Yeah, we need to be aware of the fact that okay, this thing could go like that as well. This thing could go like that as well. So we need to be aware of that thing. Okay. So let me go to the M15, and let me like replay the chart. Okay. So what is the time now? 12:15, 12:30, right? So one more candle to start 12:45. 12:45, right? 12, okay, 12:45 here, right? Not here, like here. 12:45. So 12:45. So the London session 12:30, right? So the London session is about to start. So we mark all the liquidity. This is the trend line liquidity in the London session. Okay, we can mark it like that. So this is our trend line liquidity in the London session. Then this is our Asian session, and this is like Asian session high. Yes, yes. So oftentimes what happens is okay when you meet such kind of scenario, then first if the price like break this high first, then the price will definitely come down, right? To take this trend line, or if the price will like break this trend line first, then the price oftentimes goes and take this high. Like it's not a rule, but it's the experience in the market, which is not long, but experience is experience. Okay, so the price has taken high, so the price will come back down and take this liquidity up. So we can expect like okay, if the price goes off here, right? If the price come off here, also some form of like sign, then we can definitely look for some kind of that. Okay, so you can definitely look for the price to come back down and take this trend line out, right? So that's the thing. Okay, so let's keep waiting. Okay, the price went up. This trend line is here in the formation season, which is supposed to be taken out, and this is in line with our overall as well. This is in line with our overall anticipation that the price will like somehow like go up and come down as well. This is in line with this. This is in line with that, and there is a sensation liquidity as well, so it makes it high probable. So let's wait. Let's keep waiting. Let's keep waiting. Okay. Okay. So at this point of time, okay. So there's nothing like that. Okay. So okay. So at this point of time, okay, there is this breakup structure. Okay. So there's this breakup structure. So based on this breakup structure, we can definitely like look for sell from here. We can definitely look for sell from here, and we can definitely target this London session. We can definitely target like we can definitely look for short from here, and we can target this low, right? This is our expectation. So let's go to the 5 minute. In the 5 minute, okay, there is our this inducement is here. So first we want that to be taken out, right? So we want this inducement to be taken out. Let's keep following the price. Let's keep following the price. Okay, the price didn't do that, and the price like take the trend line out first. So yes, that's what the price did. And so at this point of time, there is no need of this trend line. Okay, there's no need of this high as well. But we need to be aware. Okay, we lose three trade up to this time. Okay, we have lost three trade. So let me tell you this. This was also a loss because I didn't get like break even. So this was also the loss. So at this point of time, okay. So there are two things to be aware of. The price has reacted of that point, reacted of here, right? So it's possible that okay, we have reacted of the extreme of the zone, okay. So it's possible that the price can go down. Yes, highly possible. Or there is another scenario when the price has done like this, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down to the extreme of the zone, and from here the price can go up. Maybe, at least it may go to this zone. Maybe. So what we can do is okay, if we are like taking the risk, so we can like buy from here. This is probable. Okay, this is like low probable trade, but yeah, this is low probable trade. Like selling it here, this is high probable again, because okay, selling it here is high probable. If the price like does something like that, then if selling it here is high probable like that. Okay. Oh, so let me go to the 5 minute and let me see like okay. So here is the 5 minute. So here is this inducement. This is inducement. This inducement is taken out, right? So definitely you can look for long from here, right? It's not rocket science to do that. So yeah, so stop loss is below that, and we can target here like not much, because yes, we know that we okay, buy stop there and 2 pips below the, so on 39, 49, and 59, 59, right? So let it play the first one. We are turning into the trade, and that would have been a nice trade, I guess, so far. Right. Okay. So at this point of time, we'll have get like 3 trade loss and 1 trade win. So that will have this thing, right? So that will have been a good trade. Yes. So yeah, that will have been a good trade. And here, if you buy it here, then okay. So that was basically the low probability trade. And okay, so yes, and selling it here is high probability because the price has already reacted. So we need to sell it here. And here also the price has reacted of this inducement as well. Yes, as the price has reacted of this inducement. So we can sell it here. So our sell stop will be like below this zone. This stop loss 2 pips about 32, 42, and 52. 52, and we can target like 1 is to 5, 1 is to 5. So 3.98, 4.98, and 1 is to 5. Okay, 1 is to 5. So let's keep going. It's okay. Oh, sorry. So okay, let me replay it. Fight this. Okay. So here will be. So let me play a candle forward. Okay, this candle broke the high. So sell stop below this candle and stop loss like 2 pips about 21, 31, and 41. 41. All right. So target will be like adjusted according to wise like 1 is to 5 R, 1 is to 5 R. Yes, and we'll like break even at 1 is to 4 R. So the nothing. Okay, we are tagging to the price. We are tagging to the trade. Okay, see how it goes. It's going good. It's going good so far. It's going good so far. Okay, okay. So we win that trade. So that was basically like 1 is to 5 R. So again, we win like 5 R. So like up to this time, we have lost 3 trade. We have won 2 trade. Then in 1 trade, 1 is to 3 R. In 1 trade, 1 is to 5 R. So basically profitable. Okay, on the back testing thing, right? Not on the real testing, but on the back testing thing, right? So let me delete this again. So we can basically again look for something like this. There is this breakup structure as well. So based on this breakup structure, we can definitely like look for short from here. Basically, yes, it's completely valid. So if it come within our session, which ends at like 21:45, so let me play it forward. Okay, so there is no trade. Our session ends it here, and the US session I don't trade. So yeah, there was 3. Oh, you realize that how many trades were there? So it's Tuesday. So let me go to Wednesday. So Wednesday start here. London session start Wednesday at around like 12:30, 12:45 here. So let me play the price forward up to that time, right? Let me place the price, trade the price forward up to that time. Okay. So let me play the price forward up to that time. Wednesday. Okay. So the price is here. The London session start. So at this point of time, okay. So you have 2 things. Okay. So from here, okay. So this is also on mitigated demand zone, right? So there is this supply zone, right? There's this supply zone, right? And okay, there's this breakup structure, sorry, not a supply zone. So the price has mitigated this. So this is no longer valid. So we can look for sell from like somewhere around like 1 is here. And the one is like, let me clone it. I like cloning, right? But even if I'm cloning it, but it's not being cloned. Why that? I don't know. Oh, it's being the empty basket. Let me leave it empty, right? No, let's not leave it empty, right? So we can look for sell from here. So my thing or my expectation here is okay. Let me not forget a 1 hour. So based on the 1 hour, what we are expecting is okay, something like that. Oh, something like that. Okay, I can delete it now. I have to go it here and delete it like this. So okay. So based on the 1 hour, our expectation was basically okay, we went up, came down, went up. Now expectation is to come down. So we are bearish. We are bearish. Looking for source are more probable. But what I think is okay, we can look for source from either of this zone. Okay, this zone is highly probable because this is obviously the extreme. But we can see like from here we can see some form of movement like this so that we can look for source. Probable, right? Possible. It's possible. So let's wait for the price to come back down. So are you also let me replay the price forward? Okay. So at this point of time, we are looking for the price to form some form of change of character, which is to break here. To okay. So we want the price to break. Okay. So at this point of time, we want the price to break this high. If the price like break like this high, then we can wait for the long from here to go up here. So that was my expectation of the price. So let me play the price forward. Okay, the price dinged and it's went down. So this longer is no longer valid. This demand zone are okay, perfect. They're perfect. Let me go to the 1 hour because we haven't been to 1 hour for the long time. So in the 1 hour, if you look at that, then here is this breakout structure, right? So which gives us the sign that okay, now we may be heading towards our destination because the price came in, went up, reacted, fell this zone. Now the price can go up and come back down. This is highly probable, right? So we can now our thing is okay. We can look for long from here to target of this. Then from there we can look for that's our thing. So let's go to the 15 minute. So on the 15 minute, okay, there's nothing like interesting here on the 15 minute, okay. We can look for short from here, but I don't think like that's a high probability because yes, I'm not interested in looking for so long from here, okay. So search from there. So let's keep the price. Let's keep so okay. So at the price like did this like at the price like break this zone, okay. So break this zone, okay. So I can like definitely like look for long from here. So we can definitely look like long from here. Let me keep it this way so that let me keep it this way so that we can get like something like this. If we get something like this, so that we can go up there. This is my expectation. So we can keep the price forward. Okay, the price went up again without coming back down. So this is not high probability. And what is the time here? The time is 20 to 30. So our session is like 21:45 here. Like so, this is beyond the London session, and we don't trade on that time. So sorry guys. So let's wait. So this was Wednesday was that Wednesday there was no trade. Okay, Wednesday there was no trade, right? Because we didn't get any trade on the Wednesday because the Wednesday market basically like started like at this point right here the market like started here like basically at this point and the market came down went up so no such trade. So let's go to the this what is this Wednesday, then let's go to the Thursday. So Thursday is here, right? So let's go to the Thursday, right? Let me go to the Thursday. So Thursday, especially when the London session. Okay, here is it. That this time the London session is as the London session start. The first thing we do is if there is any kind of trend line liquidity, as there is, we mark this trend line liquidity. Okay, so this is our trend line liquidity. So opposite of the trend line is the higher low. Obviously, low is there, so we mark that low. So what happens is this. Okay, our first thing is, if this tree line is taken out, then it's then this low will be taken out, or if this low is taken out, then this trend line will be taken out. Sometimes, most of the times, or I've seen like, yeah, almost always. But in trading, there nothing is out. Okay, how fast was that? I mean, let me replay it. I lose all the sight, right? So look at that. All of a sudden, at the same time, okay, both are taken out. So now there's nothing much we can do about it. Okay, so we can trade this, we can trade this. So this is our M15 structure, right? This is our M15 structure, right? So yeah, this is our M15 structure. So playing the price forward, okay. So at this point of time, okay. So this zone is no longer valid, okay. And we are waiting for this zone, yes. Yeah, yeah. So okay, so there is this breakup structure as well. There is breakup structure as well, right? So based on this breakup structure, what we can say is okay. Okay, we can like take long from here. We can take long from here to target to for the price to come to this demand zone, or basically like something like okay. We have come there, so we can look for start from here to target of here, possible as highly possible price. So let me go to the 5 minute and see in the 5 minute is there any kind of inducement, as there is. So there is like this inducement is here. So first we want that inducement to be taken out. Okay, taken out. So let's put our buy stop here with the stop loss 2 pips below. So with our target being set to the demand zone, is this the high probable trade? I don't think it is, because yes, because it's a high probable as it is, but it is not the trade I will have taken 8 9 10. Yes, because it's like 0.69 hours, so I don't have taken this trade. Okay, done. All of a sudden, right, you will be in the trade, but not a trade I will have potentially considered taking. Okay, so on the 5 minute, if you go, then okay, so there's this investment here, right? There is like this investment on the zone. So this investment is taken and taken out, and price has reacted on the supply zone. So based on that, we can look for sell from here. With our stop loss being set here to be above, and with our target here. Because if you look at that, then this is inducement to this price, right, to this supply zone, right? So let me play it forward, okay. So now we can change it to here with the stop loss being set 2 pips above, with the target being like okay, with the stop loss being 2 pips above. Okay, let him play it forward. Okay. No, nothing, nothing more, because we'll have placed this few pips below that, so like this. So we tagged. So let me place for okay, we are tagged into the trade. Let me see how does it goes. Okay, we are out of the trade. So again, we lost one hour. So we have lost like 1 hour again. So let me go now. It's no longer valid. So let me go to the 1 minute and see like if there is any kind of cells here or not. Okay. So at this point, there is in the one cells, right? We play it here. So let me play it here. Here, okay. The price has broken the structure to the downside. Yes. So I want the price to break the structure to the upside. Yes. So play the price forward. Okay, the price has broken the structure to the upside. Now what I'm looking for is okay, the price will be going like this. The price break the structure to the upside, break the structure to the upside. Now at this point, I'm looking for something like that. Okay, so I'm like putting like my sell stop below this candle with my stop loss above and that. If the price like break the structure to the upside, break the structure downside, first it give the fake break, then it okay. You realize that. So you're so smart. You guys are. So let me put my stop loss above like 2 pips above. So 0.7. So I have to put it at 24, 26, 26, 27. Yeah, and okay. So my buy sell stop will be here. Then let me place it forward. Okay, nothing. Okay, yeah, I am tagged into the trade. Let me see how it goes. So it will be like 1 is to 5 or at the very low. Yes, it will be 1 is to 5 or I can target like at least like to the down of this zone. Okay, we are here. So here, like what is our overall expectation from here? Okay, our overall expectation is like, okay, we are here. So our expectation is, okay, we came down, we reacted to that, our overall expectation is to come down. So we can definitely target that. But I didn't have the gut to do that. So yes. So it may be even true, but the price can even do something like that. Okay, the price can even do like something like that. We need to take like everything into mind. Okay. So based on that, okay, even if the price does that, then I don't want to be like feeling bad about it. So I'll have targeted like somewhere around here, right? To this zone. So that will have been 1 is to 7 hour, right? Let me trade it. Let me like okay. Okay. So the price went up, went up, went up. Okay. So yeah, let me go to the M15 then. In the M15, okay, the price went up. So yeah, there's nothing much we can do about it. Okay. Okay. So the price like we win this trade. So that will be like plus 7 hour. Then okay. So yeah, that is which day is this? This is Thursday. So yes, so there is this breakup structure. Now giving the confirmation that okay, now this breakup structure is giving the confirmation that okay, now this is weak. So now what we can do is we can wait for the price to pull back, then we can look for short like this. So this is now high probable. So going to do that, okay. So going forward. So for that, okay, we will be looking for a short from here, from this demand zone, right? So this demand zone here, right? So yes, so is there any kind of investment here? Let me go to the 5 minute and see. Is there any kind of investment here onto this demand zone? Okay, there is one investment which is all the way below that. Okay, so yes, it's perfectly fine. Okay. And our London session ends at like 9:45. So 35, 45, 45, like here. So let me play the price forward. Okay. So at this point of time out, but the price hasn't tagged into the demand zone, right? So yes, it's kind of invalid, I must say, but okay, let's skip it. Okay. The price hasn't still broken. Okay, if the price like break this, then our no, our like this inducement will be invalid. So yes, the price broke below this, so our this inducement is completely invalid. Okay, so we wait for the price to come here, and we look for the entry into the M1. So waiting. Okay, price tag into. So at this point, I got like tin, okay. So there is this equal low here, equal high here, right? There's this equal high here, and the price has okay. Let's come to reactor this one. So okay, so if the price does something like this, okay, if the price like does something like this, then I'll look for sell from here to come down. Okay, but instead of that, if the price like did like something like this, okay, if the price like come here and goes up, then I want to look for short. So that's my take here. Okay, the price stayed there, so there's nothing much I can do about it. And then let me delete that as well. So let me play it forward. Okay, the price fairly soon. So I want to see the price again. There is in the one way that I can look for short from here because yes. So if the price like come back down, then okay, fail this, then I can look for short from here to target down. So for that reason, okay, I'll look for something like here to the 50% of the zone, right? So I'll look for short like this here with the stop loss being set here with this here and this here. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, and this being said, yeah, I'm a trader. I'm like loner. Okay, loner in the trader. So yeah, so 1 is to 5 hour it will be now. Right now I can make it. So yeah, the okay. So what is this? 21:45. Okay, the session ends there. So yeah, the price is going down. Okay, the price broke the structure low. Now I want to be tagged into the trade. So now the price has broken. So I want the price to go up there and tag me in. Let me see what the price does. within the season. Okay, so moving forward, okay, the price went up, down, so it's completely invalid. So there was no sales here. So yeah, there was no sales here, right? So yeah, that was all. So let me go to the 15 minute and see. Okay, so there was nothing like that. Okay, go down. Look at the time now. 21:40. So one more candle remaining. 21:45. Okay. So the session ends here, right? And yes, the session ends here, and yes. So today we get no trade here, right? So there comes the Friday now. This is Thursday. So let's see like what happens in the Friday. Friday is all the way here, right? So let's play the price forward to the Friday. So let's play the price forward to the Friday, right? Friday, I hate Fridays. I hate Saturdays, right? Okay, let me read this candle first. Okay, this is like tag. Yes, at this time the London session is start. So at this time, if you look at that, then okay. So the price like failed to break this, right? The price like failed to break this. The price take the liquidity out. The price take the liquidity out, right? Took the liquidity out and failed to break this, right? So which could mean that okay, price failed to break this. So yes, failed to close below that. So which could mean that okay, now the price went up, then this high failed to do its job. This high, okay, let me play it forward. This high failed to do its job, which was assigned to break and close below that. Now, technically, like this is weak. Now, we can even expect that. We can even expect, okay, the price can go up there and come back down. These are the two expectations, right? So, in any of the ways, the price has to go up. So, okay, the probability is like, okay, let me go to the 15 1 hour time frame. This is not working, man. Now, okay, it's working now. Okay. So at this point of time, okay, the price has failed. So we can look for sort from here. We can look for sort from here. Again, the yes one. But we need to be aware of the okay, why is this? But we need to be aware of the fact that okay, we need to be aware of the fact that okay, price went up, break that, okay, went up, then this high failed to do its job. Now technically like okay, now we may be seeing like the failure of this high, but we haven't still come back down to the premium of the zone or discount of the zone, so we can still expect something like that. Why? Why? Because of the reason that okay, we are expecting the pullback to the 50% of the zone and we haven't even pulled back, so yeah, we can definitely expect something like that. So let me go to the 15 minute. So on 15 minute, okay, this is the start of the London session. So we do our job, which is to mark the liquidity. Okay, this is trend line liquidity, and this is like high of the zone, high. Okay, so as I always say, like if this is taken out first, then this will be taken out, right? And if like this is taken out first, then this will be taken out. You know what I mean? Okay. So yes. So wait. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Oh, the candle is fast. I don't want. Okay. Okay. The train line is taken out, right? The train. Okay. The which is taken out first. Okay. So at this point of time, there is confusion, right? Which one is taken out first? Okay. If you think like okay, the train line is taken. Okay. So if I don't think like it is, this is taken out. This high is also taken out, but by few pips, like 0.5 pips. So yeah, if you consider that to be taken out, then fine. Okay. If you don't, then there is one trade. There is one trade. You can take long from here. They can like take long from here to target like that liquidity, or you can even take long from here, right? These are two zones because we are not doing that based on structure, okay? Because we are doing that based on okay our analysis that okay oftentimes is taken out. So we want this to be taken out, and I don't think or I think like this is enough. But if you don't think that's enough, then you can trade this. So let me go to the 5 minute. So in the 5 minute, okay, if you look for the inducement, then there is like this inducement is here, right? This inducement is here, right? And this is taken out. So what you can do is okay, being 100% mechanical, buy stop there, stop loss 2 pips below that, and you can target that way. Okay, this is valid, but nobody would take this trade. I know that. Okay, now okay, this zone is invalid. So now this zone is invalid, right? This zone is taken off. So let me go it here. Here also, if you look at that, then there is this inducement, right? So this is taken out. Now we want the price to tag into our zone. So the price tab, okay, the price didn't tap, the price tab into our zone. So at this point, we can look for long above this candle. We put our bar stop loss below this zone, and we target off here. Okay, so this will be our three. Okay, we our stop loss will be like two piece. It was 65 and 75, right? Yeah, we'll targeting here 2.49 trade, right? So let's play it forward. Okay, so we okay, so our stop loss will be here. Then our stop loss will be like okay, 45, 55, and 65 will be that. Okay, 65, and we'll be targeting here. So 1 is to 3 our trade. So, okay, we are tagged into, and we'll be flying in the sky, right? So yeah, the high got taken out, the low got taken out. We get 3 hour on this trade, right? I'm noting all the trade that happened here on my like thing so that like I can like enter it on the Excel sheet later and for me to analyze. So there's no need of that, okay? And this high is of no use, this low is of no use. Now let's go with the structure, okay? Because this ACN session high, low and trend line stuff is over. So there's this like this is like this breakup structure right here. So now what do we want? We want to look for long from like here to target. Where do we want to target? Well, we want to target to this zone, right? We want to target to this zone. Okay, we're targeting there, or we are still targeting like 50% of the zone. So if the price like goes up like this, then I'll not take long from here. Okay, because I'll be like, okay, why should I take the long? Because the price has already tested the premium. But instead, if the price does that, then I'll be happy to take long to target this. Okay, so yeah, let me go to the like M5 here. In the M5, okay, there is no inducement. Okay, this is all the way up here, so I don't consider it valid because this is much farther. So let's wait to the M1. So let's wait for the M1 to consider like some form of breakup structure, right? Right. So this zone is like up here. Okay. So yeah. So yeah. Okay. So why is that? What's that? Okay. I don't want that to be taken off. So let me play the price forward. Let me wait. Let me wait until the price come back down. Or wait for the price to come down, 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 to come down. Okay. To come down. Okay. Let me go to the 5 minute. If I see some kind of structure in the 5 minute, then I don't usually look on the M1. Okay, so here. Oh, let me replay the chart. Okay, let me replay the chart. Okay, let me replay the chart here. At this point of time, okay, the price has like, okay, the price has like broken the structure to the upside. Yes, and the price has like broken the structure to the downside. So what do you want? Okay, I want to look for long. So long will be like, okay, buy stop above that. And my stop loss will be 2 pips below that. So 101, 201, 1201. Right. So my target will be like to this one. Not a great trade. Okay. This will nothing to change. Okay. So not valid. Why this is not valid? Because the price has taken this low out. So this is not valid. Okay. So now let me go to the M1 because if even if like it has taken out, okay, there is one structure with which we can trade. So that the one structure is okay. So let me replay the chart from like here. So this is the candle that has taken out. Okay. So what we want is okay, we want this zone to fail. We want the price to do something like this. Okay. So if the price like goes off, this something like this, then we can wait for buy from here and goes up. So we can wait for buy from like 50% of the zone, right? So the 50, oh, the 50% of the zone, right? Right. So we can like buy it from here. That's kind of valid. Right, right. So let's see. Okay, nothing much, nothing much, nothing much. Okay, the price didn't give us entry. The price just flied up. So yeah, the price just broke the structure high. Okay, the price like broke the structure. Okay, the price like broke the structure high, but it never came back to give us the entry so that we can also find the price. So yeah, that was all. I guess okay, that was all I guess. Okay, there was no trade other than that. Okay, the price went up. So what is the time now? The time is like 21:15. Okay, we'll not be looking for sell here. We'll be looking for sell at the extreme because I love the extreme. Okay, so from there. So yeah, and it's at the Saturday extreme, so I don't trade. So that was all. So we get, let me count, we get one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight trade, and out of do that trade, we lost four trade, right? And it's we win four trade. Yes, that was all. So thank you guys, welcome guys, happy guys. Okay, bye guys.